Gas-powered cars are becoming increasingly popular around the world, and their number is growing continuously. This is the result of numerous benefits of using gas instead of gasoline or diesel, i.e. lower fuel cost and reduced emission of pollutants, especially CO2. People are continuously on the move, so road transport remains one of the most important sectors of economy. No wonder all good ideas for limiting fuel expenses are worth their weight in gold. One of such ideas is a vehicle gas fuel system, which allows for saving reaching 50% of the current fuel expenses. If you decide to have a system of this type installed in your vehicle, be sure to trust it to real experts, such as ELPIGAZ. ELPIGAZ offers complete LPG and CNG systems from well-known brands designed for all types of gasoline engines, including those with direct fuel injection, diesel engines working in the so-called dual-fuel system, which uses two types of fuel to power the engine, diesel and gas, at the same time. All parts of the LPG and CNG systems have appropriate certificates. ELPIGAZ also holds certification for installation of gas systems in all vehicles with gasoline-powered engines, B-fuel and diesel engines, dual-fuel, including vehicles used for transport of dangerous goods, ADR. ELPIGAZ also offers LPG systems certified in accordance with Regulation R115 for over 1,000 gasoline-powered cars with Euro 4 and Euro 5 engines. ELPIGAZ offers complete gas systems for modern, high-powered engines, as well as for older generation motors. Here, for experts, we'll select the best system based on the technical specifications of a given vehicle, but also considering the financial capabilities of its owner. What elements does a modern gas system comprise of? This is presented on the diagram, which shows the four major components: the gas tank, the reducer, the gas injector, and the controller units, i.e. the electronic systems. Let us take a closer look at the gas tanks. The most popular type of gas tanks used in today's gas system is the toroidal gas tank. This type of tank is available in a wide range of sizes, with diameters ranging from 565 to 720 mm and heights from 180 to 300 mm. The tank allows to store from 33.5 to 107 liters of gas. Tanks of all sizes are available with internal or external, multi-valve and four-opening fittings, known as Dutch fittings, again available in the internal or external make. In order to attain a greater capacity at given external dimensions, the more tanks are used. In those tanks, the maximum capacity is obtained for the so-called full tanks, with the outer flange at 0 degrees angle. ELPIGAZ provides the widest selection of toroidal LPG tanks in the world. All LPG tanks have ECE 67R01 certifications and are approved for use by the Polish Transport Technical Supervision. ELPIGAZ offers heat toroidal tanks, which are characterized by modern design and lightweight. This is the heat internal toroidal tank in the multi-valve make, with an internal head angle at 30 degrees, which is most frequently installed in place of a vehicle's spare wheel. ELPIGAZ gas tanks are made of high durability steel, which, when combined together with innovative design, dramatically reduces the tank's weight. The installation of the tank requires much less effort than in case with traditional tanks, and the fuel consumption and wear of vehicle's suspension and drivetrain is reduced as the tank's weight as much as 10 kilograms less than usual. The tank is fitted into the car in 2 points using 2 bolts. The 2-point fitting system is also used for small and medium suspended tanks installed outside the vehicle. Thanks to the lower weight, Even the ELPIGAZ medium toroidal tanks may be suspended using the simpler two-point fitting system. A different fitting method is used for larger external hit and mormo tanks suspended under the vehicle. In such cases, tanks with 4 fitting points are used, either 4 lugs or 4 clamps. The tank is fitted to the vehicle's bodywork or a separate frame using bolts. ELPIGAZ gas tanks have appropriate corrosion protection, but if they are installed outside the vehicle, they must be protected against mechanical damage, e.g. caused by stones. If the multi-valve are fitted outside of the tank, they also require additional protection using appropriate cover or hermetic casing. All ELPIGAZ gas tanks are also ready for use with 4-hole fittings, so-called Dutch fittings. 2 types of tanks are available: the traditional solution with fittings located outside the tank and protected by an appropriate casing, and an innovative ELPIGAZ solution in 4-hole fittings inside the tank. The internal fittings do not protrude outside the tank, which is the main advantage of this solution, and may be installed to be available from above or from below the tank, e.g. for suspended tanks. Toroidal gas tanks are the most popular type of gas tanks used in today's gas systems. They are usually installed in the car's trunk in place of a spare wheel or suspended from the vehicle's chassis. Usually, the related need to solve the problem of the lack of a spare wheel is a limitation or an additional nuisance for the driver. The mormo tanks broaden the scope of application of gas systems in vehicles with the introduction of standing tanks. The installation of the tank in the vertical position, which is unavailable in other solutions, allows making optimum use of the available trunk space and broadens the spectrum of possibilities for converting vehicles to gas operation. The use of stand tank allows leaving the spare wheel in its original place and does not limit the trunk space in the trunk itself. The heat and mormo tanks are manufactured from high durability steel, which combined with their innovative designs allow producing a wide range of tanks with relatively lower weight, larger capacity, and quick single-point installation. It is worth to take a closer look at the solution available only at ELPIGAZ, i.e. small toroidal tanks with 4-hole fittings, and the LC large capacity tanks. ELPIGAZ tanks are used in passenger cars as well as in lorries, articulated lorries, buses, industrial vehicles, construction vehicles, and farming machines. The innovative solution found in the LC large capacity tanks allow us to manufacture LPG tanks with a capacity of 62 to 545 liters. These are the largest LPG tanks for vehicles available in the world, which provide even the largest engines with sufficient gas without the need to use several smaller tanks combined together. An additional benefit of the LC tanks is the installation of fitting inside the tank, which is particularly important if the tank is attached outside the vehicle, especially to its chassis. The tanks are available in horizontal variant for horizontal installation and in the vertical variant for vertical installation. Special attachment systems have been prepared for these tanks, which allow for simple installation without the need to modify the vehicle's chassis. Cylindrical tanks are used in situations when it is impossible to install a toroidal tank. They are used in vehicles without a spare wheel space or in case when the driver wants to have a gas tank installed but keep the spare wheel located in its original position. ELPIGAZ offers gas cylinders in diameters ranging from 200 to 450 mm and capacities from 4.7 to 240 liters. This is the widest selection of gas cylinders available. The cylinders are suitable for horizontal and vertical installation using multi-valves and 4-hole fittings. The tank equipment is installed directly to the tank. The fittings may include a multi-valve which combines in one body of all the elements required by respective legal regulations, i.e. the filling valve with 80% limiter, the fluid meter, the safety valve, and the outflow solenoid valve. The 4-hole fittings are considered the higher class equipment for LPG tanks and include the filling valve with 80% limiter, the LPG meter and safety valve limiting the pressure inside the tank, and the outflow solenoid valve. This solution is used in the stand and LC tanks. All LPG tanks, including cylindrical and toroidal tanks, are available with the 4-hole fittings attached outside the tank, while toroidal tanks are also available with the fittings installed inside the tank. Cylindrical tanks with a diameter of 200 to 360 mm are used for the storage of CNG, which stands for compressed natural gas or methane, to be more precise, at the pressure reaching 250 bar. The most common cylinders are made of steel, which results the heaviest type of tank. Lower weight can be achieved by using reinforced metal cylinders, while composite cylinders are the lightest but also the most expensive. The tank is equipped with a multi-valve used for filling the tank and directing the flow of gas to the reducer, controlled by a solenoid valve. It is also equipped with safety valves. The reducer, LPG vaporizer, is responsible for the control of gas pressure. As the engine power increases, more efficient reducer must be used, especially in conjunction with fuel injection systems. Integrated LPG reducers, designed and manufactured by ELPIGAZ, cover a full spectrum of requirements. The Cometa I reducer is used for the injection of LPG in vehicles with engine capacity of up to 2 liters and rated power below 150 horsepower. It is a proven, well-rounded and simple design, a forerunner of other well-known reducers available today. It is a single-stage reducer integrated with an external solenoid valve fitted with an LPG filter. The installation of the reducer is simple. It may be fitted in any position, which allows to be placed in the most favorable location inside the vehicle. The connection of water lines to the reducer is quick and simple, thanks to the rotary elbow pipes. The high-pressure gas line from the tank may also be connected without any problems. This and all other types of reducer manufactured by ELPIGAZ have been designed to suit the engine requirements, especially regarding engine power, and with quick and simple installation in mind. This also makes repair and maintenance, i.e. pressure adjustment and LPG filter replacement, a simple task, which does not require the removal of high-pressure connections. This is the Drago reducer, used for LPG injection, integrated with an external frontal filter designed for vehicles with power up to 160 horsepower. Thanks to its small dimensions, these reducers may be fitted anywhere in the engine compartment, and the use of well-placed rotating stoppipes for the connection of cooling system and gas lines allows for quick and simple installation and repair. Drago reducers have very good thermodynamics properties. They maintain stable working pressure in a wide spectrum of loads. Thanks to the high heat exchange rate, which guarantees high gas temperature upon leaving the reducer, Drago provides lower fuel consumption by up to 10% as compared to other reducers of the same class. The Fior Forte reducer offers similar properties. This is a single-stage reducer integrated with an internal valve and LPG filter designed for 3, 4 and 6-cylinder engines with a rated power up to 200 horsepower. The Fiore Forte reducer is characterized by very effective gas heating and the best possible heat exchange rate for such small external dimensions. The Vega I reducer has a very wide spectrum of applications. This is an LPG reducer integrated with an internal valve and LPG filter. It may be used in engines with a capacity up to 4 liters and power up to 250 horsepower. It provides stable pressure and high gas temperature at the outlet. Thanks to its excellent thermodynamic properties, the switching from gasoline to gas is very quick. The reducer is equipped with an additional gas accumulating chamber, which provides an immediate response during acceleration, deceleration, and braking. Thanks to its well-thought-out design, the VEGA reducer is very simple, and the connection of water and gas lines is very quick and easy thanks to rotating angled stub pipes. Connecting the D6 and D8 high-pressure line, it's child's play. Also, the maintenance, including pressure adjustment or LPG filter replacement, without removing the reducer and high-pressure gas connection, is very quick and simple. The red color of this reducer unveils a certain secret. This is the VEGA iSport, a single-stage integrated LPG reducer designed for sport vehicles and high-powered engines, even up to 380 horsepower. A CNG system requires appropriate valves for filling the tank and gas main valves controlling the flow of gas from the tank to the reducer. The valve most frequently used for filling the tank is the NGV1 connection, which is usually installed in the engine compartment. Depending on the country, other types of CNG connections may be encountered. Due to the high pressure used in the storage of CNG in the vehicle's tank, ELPIGAZ uses highest quality elements provided by well-established suppliers. The CNG reducer lowers the pressure from 250 to about 2 bar, which in case of gas injection systems requires at least 2 stages of reduction. In order to attain the required work parameters, the CNG reducers are connected to the vehicle's cooling system in order to maintain a set temperature of the reducer's components. Gas main pressure sensors are installed at the inlet to the reducer, and the readout is used to establish the volume of gas in the tank. CNG reducers used by ELPIGAZ in the CNG injection systems are 2-stage reducers which provide stable pressure independent of the pressure in the gas tank. There are several types of reducers, which are selected based on engine power. In order to assure the proper functioning of the gas injectors, additional gaseous phase gas filters are used. Despite its inconspicuous appearance, this small element is very important, as it is this element that has the greatest influence on the service life of gas injectors. ELPIGAZ gas injection systems use disposable filters made of high-quality materials and decanter filters with replaceable filter cartridge, which is the most effective in operation. Another important component of the vehicle's gas system are the gas injectors. The task of the injectors is to supply a precise volume of gas set by the controller into the engine's cylinders. ELPIGAZ offers injectors which are considered the best in the world, awarded with numerous prestigious industry awards. Among them are the I+ARCO gas injectors. These are disc injectors. Their design makes them resistant to polluted gas and makes them work reliably irrespective of the gas quality. These injectors operate with pressure ranging from half to 10 bar. They are characterized by high dosing precision, stability of operation, short injection cycle, and simple maintenance, which does not require calibration. The injectors are available in 2, 3, or 4 sections based on which models may be built to suit the number of cylinders in a given engine. The installation of stubs and replacement of nozzles is very simple, even if the system has already been installed in the vehicle. By using nozzles of different color, it is easy to correctly identify them and select the type of most suitable for the given engine. The design of the I+ARCO injector allows for longer distances between repairs, up to 100,000 kilometers, and no calibration of the injector is required after the replacement of the repair kit. These are the Rosso piston injectors used in sequential gas injection systems, operating in the range of half to 3 bar. They allow for various configurations of the system inside the vehicle. Depending on the need, they may be supplied as individual injectors or may be installed on a common main with 2, 3 or 4 sections. It is also possible to install individual injectors on the intake manifold using a separate connection. The assembly of injectors is quick and simple, and so is their installation on the engine and the attachment of lines. This is possible due to the ability to rotate the injector installed in the main. The Rosso injectors provide the engine cylinder with exactly the right amount of gas specified by the controller. Based on the available mains, models may be selected depending on the number of cylinders in a given vehicle. Let us now move to the highest quality product. They offer light design, universal application, pressure between 0.5 and 4.5 bar, and exceptional working parameters. We are talking about Argento piston injectors, which are characterized by the shortest opening time, which is a guarantee of a stable and equal dosing throughout their entire service life. Argento injectors are equipped with the smallest and lightest piston among all injectors of this type. They are available in 2 and 3 ohm variants. The injectors are available as single section units and as combined units installed on a common main, creating a set of injectors comprised of 1 to 5 sections, which are used to assemble models appropriate for the number of cylinders in a given vehicle. The brain of every gas fuel system is formed from the electronic components used in both LPG and CNG systems. In engine equipped with a multi-point fuel injection, equipped with an oxygen sensor, and 4th generation sequential injection systems are used. ELPIGAZ offers 4 product lines, which are great for different types of cars depending on the power and type of their engine. The POPULARline offers complete gas injection systems from well-established companies for customers looking for economical solutions. Sequential gas injection systems from the POPULARline include a dependable Stella Maris controller with small external dimensions, which allows for precise dosing of gas. This gas injection system is designed mostly for cars which are already several years old with 2, 3 or 4 cylinder engines and powered from 20 to 200 horsepower. The Stella Maris controller is equipped with all the required sensors: reducer temperature sensor, gas temperature sensor, gas pressure sensor, and the MAP engine load sensor. The Stella Maris also has a number of functions required for its configuration in a large number of vehicles, including the additional injection function. Thanks to the mixture composition map, the calibration of the system is easy and may be performed quickly during the installation, or more precisely based on recorded driving parameters, as well as manually. For mid-size and premium vehicles, new and used alike, equipped with multi-point injection and an oxygen sensor, ELPIGAZ offered the COMFORTline, which includes the gas system with the Stella Polare controller. The modern electronic components, encased in a small enclosure, provide a high level of technological advancement and a broad spectrum of possibilities, all these at a reasonable price. The system is characterized by developed diagnostic functions and a sequential changeover from gasoline to gas. This is a very good solution for engines with complicated gasoline injection strategy, e.g. those with multi-phase fuel injection or changing over between sequential and semi-sequential fuel injection. This system may be used in vehicles with 2, 3 or 4 cylinder engines with a power between 20 and 200 horsepower, with or without turbochargers, and modern solutions such as start and stop functions, camshaft, variable timing adjustment, and valve control. The Stella Polare cooperates with an integrated set of PT map sensors installed in series in the gas main, which sends signals informing about gas temperature and pressure and engine load to the controller. This solution simplifies the installation and facilitates diagnostic operations. The Stella Polare automatically protects the engine against running on lean mixtures thanks to its patented gasoline injector emulating system. This allows avoiding problems related to the increase of temperature resulting from running on lean fuel mixtures. Thanks to the mixture composition map, the calibration of the system is easy and may be performed quickly during the installation or more precisely based on recorded driving parameters as well as manually. Diagnostic operations are quick and simple thanks to the wireless connection to a computer, recording of engine operating parameters while running on gas on gasoline, and an additional diagnostic model. The special advantage of the Stella Polare have been confirmed by our customers and experts alike. This has been proven by the system winning the competition and receiving the title of the system for the new age. For the most demanding customers driving modern vehicles or buying new cars, we offer the highest quality products from the EXCLUSIVEline. This product line offers two types of systems. The first is the Stella EOBD system, designed for vehicles with multi-point fuel injection to the intake manifold, equipped with the OBD system. The system may be used in 2 to 12-cylinder engines. The OBD controllers are at the peak of electronic devices, the most advanced solutions allowing for the control of gas supply using corrections from the engine's original onboard diagnostic system, which guarantees the highest precision of fuel dosing and optimizes its consumption. These controllers are also equipped with the very effective patented gasoline injector emulation system during operation using gas. The Stella OBD offers the widest scope of gas system configuration and calibration options, which allow for flawless functioning of the gas system in any vehicle. The mixture map and various calibration modes make preparations for running on gas easy. The extensive gas diagnostic model, parameter recorder, and wireless connection between the controller and the computer make maintenance and diagnostic work much simpler. The second type of system in the EXCLUSIVEline is the Stella 4 DPI, a system designed for vehicles with direct fuel injection to the combustion chamber. This system may be used in 3, 4, 6, and 8-cylinder engines. The Stella 4 DPI system requires the use of the highest quality reducer and injectors using the best technical solutions. Direct fuel injection is currently the latest stage in the development in the internal combustion engine. It is characterized by a complicated fuel supply system and mixture ignition, but allows achieving high power and very good driving dynamics. Due to the level of complexity of the problem of powering direct fuel injection engines with gas, only a few manufacturers offer systems for such engines. LPIGAZ offers dedicated Stella 4 DPI system for a wide range of direct fuel injection engines based on high-quality components. Gas power is not limited to low compression engine. Gas may also be used to power diesel engines. LPIGAZ, as the first company in Poland, introduced a line of dual-fuel gas system for powering diesel engines. This line includes a DEGA-mix system, which stands for diesel and gas mixture, which may be used in a wide range of diesel engines, from normally aspirated engine through the turbocharged engines to common rail engines, irrespective of their applications. This product line may be used in passenger cars, delivery vehicles, lorries and buses. It is also the only gas fuel system which may be used on ADR vehicles, i.e. vehicles used for the transport of dangerous goods. The DEGA-mix controller allows the injection of gas into the engine running on diesel fuel, therefore providing operating in the so-called dual fuel mode. This controller is capable of supplying LPG, thus the fuel becomes a mixture of diesel fuel, and petroleum gas or CNG and fuel becomes a mixture of diesel oil and methane. This solution improves the combustion process, which results in reduced emission of pollutants and increased engine power. The biggest advantage are the economic savings that are possible when diesel oil is replaced by gas. In case of LPG, about 20 to 25% of diesel fuel is replaced by the cheaper mixture of propane and butane, i.e. LPG, while in case of CNG, 35 to 45% of diesel oil is replaced by even cheaper methane. An additional benefit is in the increased vehicle range due to the additional gas tanks. The DF2 variant of the Degamix controller is characterized by the patented two-map control, which allows for independent control of supply two fuels to the engine: diesel fuel based on first map and gas LPG or CNG based on the second map. The Degamix system won the first prize in the Innovation for Logistics competition. For many years, ELPIGAZ has been a leading manufacturer and supplier of modern solutions for an automotive industry related to LPG and CNG fuel supply systems. The company continues to invest in research and development work conducted by its own group of experts, working to continuously broaden the company's offer and improve the quality and competitiveness of its product. The entire production process is based on our own technical solutions and technologies, which are protected by patents in numerous countries around the world. Our company received numerous national and international honors, including the Leader of Innovation Award. Thanks to its development and high quality of the production process, in line with the ISO certificates we possess, products under the ELPIGAZ brand are known for their reliability, quality, and competitive prices, which according to ELPIGAZ corporate philosophy are supplied together and not instead of one another.